Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Tech to Audio. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a little run through of the Tribit Storm box. Okay, sounds quite good reviews. It's IPX7 waterproof. Apparently it's waterproof to be fully submerged. Speakerphone, X-Bass, 20 hours playtime. Apparently it's got a wireless dual pairing as well, so you can get two of these, stick them together and you've got full stereo sound. And let's get cracked into this case and see what we have inside. It's pretty nice boxing, pretty modern looking. This is currently it's about £62 in the UK. There we go, short work of it with the knife. Okay, pretty nice packaging. Let's see what colour we've got in here. I think it comes in these three different colours, which is the blue, it's red colour, black colour, a little user manual. Some other paperwork. Thank you for your purchase. Warranty. Dear customer, a little thank you note for purchasing from Tribit or Tribit. There we go, it's the speaker itself. Put that to one side. See what else is in the box. And there we go. Not sure the best way of getting in. I think that's it. I think it's only the charging cable in there. Okay, let's have a look. See what we've got in here. I'm not sure if this is going to be USB-C charging cable or micro USB. So let's have a look and see. Yes, it's the micro USB charger, not USB-C on this model. Let's get the speaker itself unpacked. It's meant to be quite a robust speaker, this, for when you look at the reviews and the promotional literature that are on the sites. I think it's an Anchor company. Not 100% sure. Oh. It's a beautiful blue colour, it's very vivid. And this is nice, it's like a nice soft fabric. That's impressive. A little carry handle. I think this is like the little subwoofer part. The bottom and the top. Power on. Bluetooth pairing, the extra bass button. And then under this waterproof flap, so as it says, auxiliary, and the DC 5 watts power. Yeah, that's quite a substantial little flap to prevent water from getting in there. I'll try and get a close-up view for you to see. That just pops back shut. Okay, nice little touch here. This has the branding on, it's a little metal rivet for the carry handle, and it's quite a weighty product, quite a nice weight to it, but it's not too heavy. I don't think you'd get tired carrying that around with you too much. Okay, so I think let's see if it's got any power. If you bear with me, let's see. Okay. It's in pairing mode. Let's try and get that paired. I'll just do this off camera. And on my iPad, it's found it right away. There we go, it's paired. That was very easy. and I'll try and play some copyright free music for you to hear. Okay. Let's turn it over. Let's see. Sorry, that was just an ad that played. Let's. You can actually feel the bass in it when you're holding it. The extra bass was already on when I first switched it on. It does get loud. Bass back on. So this is a play pause button. That's handy, so that's just pause and then you can play again where you were. Okay, so at the back it's come with a charge. I think these indicate the charge. There's 4 little LEDs and out of the 4, 3 of them are lit up. I don't know if that's come across okay on the camera. And really, at this point, that's as far as I'm going to go with this. I think it's a good speaker. It's pretty good quality, good bass, good volume, and the fact that you compare 2 of them together is nice. I'll have to do some testing myself to see if it does do the 20 hours battery lifetime that's specified. It says it's got 360-degree sound. I think that's just the layout of the woofers inside it and tweeters, I believe. That gives surround sound, 360 sound. It means that the sound's firing out, not just forwards. Yeah, it's 24 watts of power. To me, it was pretty loud. I don't know whether it'd be hugely loud if you were outside at a beach or something like that, but then if you had 2 of them paired up, it'd probably be sufficient. It's a good little portable speaker. It feels very tough. It's got good rubber on the base at the top. Feels like it survived quite a few knocks. I think they're testing Tribit or Tribit. Someone help me in the comments section on how you pronounce the name. I think they drop test them from a meter height several times, and then it feels like it survived that. So there we go. That's it. It's a speaker. It feels well made. Does the job. It's got good sound. give one last blast. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. This is just a quick video, get me back into the swing of things, ready for this new year ahead. So there hasn't been any for a while. I've been a little bit unwell, and I will hopefully catch you guys soon. Please like and subscribe. Please share the video to anyone you think this might be useful for and who's thinking of purchasing a speaker. And I've not been sent this or given it for nothing. It's been purchased as a legitimate purchase, and it keeps staying in my household. So thanks for watching, like I say, and like I said earlier, do subscribe. I'd really like to grow the channel, get some more things. I've got a few more videos coming for you shortly, hopefully, if I get the chance to make some more. And I will see you in the next one. You all take care and stay safe out there. Thanks. Bye.